Good morning, students. Today we will continue our remaining portion of the topic. But before we start, let us have a small recap what we had learned till now in last video. In last video, I had started your new chapter in history. The chapter name is in the earliest city. In that, I had told you that Harappan civilization is one of the oldest civilization, and we found the evidences of this civilization near the river Indus. So, on the base of the river name Indus, we also know another name of this civilization is also called Indus Valley Civilization. Its origin around 4700 years ago. Now, next we had also talked about the story of Harappa. In that, I had told you during the Britishers' time, during the Britishers' time, the British railway engineers had constructed the railway lines which is laid down in Punjab, which is now presently in Pakistan, and they used high quality of bricks to make this railway lines, and due to that many buildings were completely destroyed. After some times, when the archaeologists found this site, and they realized that it is one of the oldest city in the subcontinent, and so through that they had given the name Harappa. Next, we had talked about what is the special about this city. We had seen that in Harappan civilization, we are founding the cities in divided into two parts. One is citadel and second is lower town. When we talk about citadel, it is in west and was small but at the higher, where we found assembly halls, granaries, and religious place, and it is a place where high class people used to live. When we are talking about lower town, where we found common people used to live, and which is made in a rectangular shape, divide into the city in rectangular shape. Next, we also found the city is made by the baked bricks, and in this baked bricks we found a one quality that these bricks were having interlocking pattern, which makes this wall of the city stronger. Even we also talked about special building in the city was citadel, and a special tank which we found in Mohenjo-daro time was Great Bath. Great Bath was a area built, it is look like a swimming pool, and it is laid with the bricks, and we found coated with plaster, and even we found natural tires which made this great bakes great bath uh, stronger, so that no water leakage problem will be there. And even we found the rooms were surrounded around the great bath. Even we found drainage system is being there, and people use to dip in the special occasion. Even we found fire altars on the Kalibanga and Lothar, and storehouses we found in Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, Mohenjo-daro and Lothar. So let us start our today's topic. In today's topic is well-planned house. In Harappan civilization, we found house were well planned, and we found the houses is one storage or two storage, where rooms were built and having with galleries. Most houses had separate bathing area. Even we found houses in the Harappan civilization having separate bathing area. Some have wells to supply water. Even when we found some houses having well to water supply. And this suggested that people were aware about the water conservation. Next, in Harappan civilization, next we will talk about drainage system, which is one of the important feature of this civilization. Many cities had discovered drains. In Harappan civilization, we found many cities as covered by the drainage system we found. The method of drain system was in such a way that water can gently slope down through flow it. The drains in the house were connected to the drains in the streets, means the drains which were constructed in these houses were connected in such a way that it goes to connect with the drains of their city streets, and small drains lead into the big one, and the small drainage which were constructed in this city where goes outside the city, and small drains connect with one bigger drains that was outside the city. Drains had introspection holes at regular intervals to clean them. Even we found a drainage system in the Harappan civilization having holes which were covered with the stones, and even in regular time they used to clean this drainage system so that they not have any disease they have to face. This is all about the drainage system of Harappan civilization. Now we will talk about life in the cities. The life in the city was very busy. Section and the people have planned special building. Means the people of this city have a very much planned and constructed special buildings for their city, and even it said that it was probably by the rulers, and even it said that it is well planned or ruled by the rulers, and the ruler used to send these people to the other land to the people to bring or to bring or to collect or to get metals like precious stones that kept like gold, silver for themselves, the for themselves. Even we found that most of the valuable objects also been found in these cities. Even the people of the city also have raw other raw materials. Even the people are making craft of this city. They are making toys of terracottas, means wooden toys which were for their children to play with this. Scribes. Scribe means a people who know how to write and that will help the ruler to prepare a seal and write on the others material. But the scripts which were found, it is not script still depicted or read understand by the archaeologist till now. Now we will talk about new craft in this city. In that, many objects that were made and found in the Harappan cities. That shows the level of craft in this civilization. We found different objects and materials by the archaeologists, such as stones, shells, metal, including copper, bronze, gold, and silver, which is used to make the ornaments. And copper and bronze are used to make tools, weapons, and vessels. Now, Harappan also made seals out of the stones. With the help of seals, they are used to make through the help of stones they are used to make seals, and it is we found in rectangular shape. Even they usually have animal caved on them. Even we found pots with beautiful design. Even in earlier chapters, I had also told you that cotton use had been started by the earlier people. Even this chapter also we've come to know that people are started using cotton to grow and used to make cloths, and we found the evidences in Mehergarh. Even we found the pieces of clothes were attached to the lids of the silver vase, which was a some of the object made up of copper, and we will found this evidences in Mohenjo-daro. So this much for today's session. Thank you, students.